Hello, welcome to another Fingernail Fixer video. In this video, let's cover a simple snowflake design that anyone can accomplish in a salon-friendly amount of time. Begin with 2 layers of your favorite gel polish. In this case, I'm using Femme Fatale in C&D Shellac Luxe. Then have a white handy. I like to use Cream Puff from C&D Shellac. The gel polish aspect of it will give you the ability to edit, if you will, or correct your design if you make mistakes. Using a small detail brush, go ahead and make some diagonal lines coming out from the corner, keeping in mind that you're going to go back and create the other half of the diagonal lines to form a small V. And the V's should start off a little larger and get smaller as they come out. Then go along the side of the nail as well as the back of the nail to create the snowflake arms or legs, if you like, on either side of that center one that's coming out. This is going to give the illusion of a partial snowflake without using a lot of detailed work. Then you could go along and create a smaller snowflake the opposite corner from your larger snowflake. What's fun about this design is you could easily move the snowflakes around on the nail and never really have to draw a huge snowflake because you've got pieces of it coming on the nails in different locations if you wanted to do them on a full set. Once you have your smaller snowflake, either using 5 or 6 little arms, it's basically kind of like an asterisk, you can go in and add some details to it. In this case, I'm putting little V's on the end of each arm. If you wanted to, you could put a dot on the end of each arm and put a V in between the arms. It's really personal preference, and every snowflake is different. So if you're doing this design on a full set, you could come in and just do different things on each of the small snowflakes. Using a stylus or a dotting tool, you can come in and correct the gel polish if you have any spots that got a little bit too thick or a line that got a little wobbly. You can just pull that stylus along there to correct it. Then on your larger snowflake, if you have any pieces that got a little too thick, you can divide the thick pieces into 2 smaller pieces just by pulling that stylus through them. Once you're finished correcting the things that you want to touch up, you can go back with the stylus and add some dots for accent. You can do some dots around the smaller snowflake. You could do some dots near the larger snowflake. It's completely personal preference. Once you're finished with your snowflake, make sure to cure it because we've done it with gel polish. And then I like to go over the top of it with a pearl top coat. This gives the entire nail as well as the snowflake an iridescent type finish. And that iridescence is really what adds that cool wet snow texture. I hope this gave you a quick, easy idea that is salon friendly and you enjoy doing some snowflakes throughout this winter season. Thank you again for joining me. I appreciate the time you took to watch this video. I hope that you will like this with the thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.